So hey guys, this is Jayant and welcome to the channel. So today we are talking about why only influencers and actors use an iPhone. Is it because they have lot of money and they can invest in buying an iPhone, or it is a sense of luxury to them? No. So let's find out. Roll the intro. Most of the influencers use an iPhone because they have to post something on Instagram, and if you click a picture from Instagram from Android phone, it captures a screenshot of the camera app and not actually captures the image from the Instagram app. But in iPhone, the images are really sharp when you click an image from an Instagram app. So this might be one reason why most of the people use an iPhone, such as influencers or actors. But it is the only thing why someone would invest 1 lakh rupees in buying an iPhone? No. Here comes the privacy and security offered by Apple. If you use an iPhone, there is no threat to your privacy and security, and you are totally secured on internet. So let's talk about Apple's security services more deeply in this video. So if you use an iPhone or use a Safari browser, it has inbuilt ad tracking services. It automatically blocks malicious ads coming your way in Safari browser. Also, it deletes all the cache data and your browsing history. So some website cannot track you or track your behavior of buying things or your interest if you use an iPhone. And if you have an iPhone and you're using Chrome browser, definitely uninstall it because it is a threat to your security, and also it consumes lot of RAM and resources of your iPhone, and you might be facing battery issues. It might be because of the Chrome, because it is one of the heaviest browser on the internet. So definitely use a Safari browser. It is a more secure version of Chrome, and it provides all the features which other browsers provide. So now let's come to Apple Maps. If you have an Android phone and you're using Google Maps, you have been tracked by Google. If you go on your laptop on My Google account and search for My Data with Google, you can find there all the places which you have visited and in last 24 hours where you have been, because the Android is owned by Google and Google tracks all your traveling history, and here you can find all the places you have visited. If you have gone to a market to buy some vegetables or so, Google tracks you because all the information is stored in the Google servers to improve their services. Same goes with Apple, but it doesn't track you or so because the data which it collects is not associated with your Apple ID. So if someday the data is stolen, the hacker will not be able to find who owns this data or from which iPhone it is captured. So I suggest you to use Apple Maps if you are on iPhone, and Google Apps is not a secure option, but it is like a monopoly in Android, so you don't have any much options. So use Google Maps. But if you have an iPhone, definitely check out Apple Maps. It is a very secure version of Google Maps and a great alternative if you have an iPhone. So now let's talk about Apple Photos. It is the most secure gallery app in iPhone, and if you have a third-party gallery app, you must uninstall it, such as Google Photos or so. So now let's talk about Apple Photos. It automatically asks you permission to delete a photo if it contains malicious codes. I've already made a video on how the photos from WhatsApp such as good morning and has phishing codes and can track your device. So definitely check this video out, and there are shocking truths in that video. So definitely I will link it below in that I button. So go and check this video out after watching this video. So definitely use Apple Photos app and don't use third-party apps because it might be a threat to your security. So now let's talk about iMessages. The message which you send, only you and the receiver of the message can view the message because it is end-to-end encrypted, and even Apple cannot view your messages. The WhatsApp also has end-to-end encryption, but government has access to your messages because there are a lot of fake news and fake messages spread on WhatsApp. But on iMessages, the data is totally encrypted. So if you have some sensitive information to chat with a friend, you can definitely use iMessage. And this is the reason why most of the influencers and actors use an iPhone, because it is just a more secure version than Android. So now let's talk about Siri, the most dumb assistant. But is it really a dumb assistant? It might be dumb in answering the questions, but if the privacy and security is concerned, it is rated very high. The information you ask to Siri is all encrypted, and it is only used to improve Apple Siri services. Siri is a dumb assistant, but if we compare with security and services, definitely Siri is the best. So now let's talk about Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. The person who are transferring the money, all the bank account details are hidden, and Apple provides you a unique code from which you can transfer the money. All the transaction happen due to this unique code, and your bank account details are totally saved, and it changes every month, so there is no threat to your bank account and your money is safe. So if you're using an iPhone, definitely check out Apple Pay. It is not much used in India, but in foreign countries is the most used and most convenient way of payment, and many of the people use it. So in iPhone there is a setting where you can disable all the information sending to servers of Apple to improve their system. So if you go into settings and go to privacy and head to the end of the page, and you can see all the information which is sent through your iPhone, definitely turn all these things off, and your battery is also saved and you are secure on internet. So now let's talk about App Store. So App Store is definitely a secure version where you will not find a single malicious app, but on Play Store you can just register app by paying a penny of money. So many of the illegal stuff is happening on Play Store, but Google is already working on how to make a Play Store a secure web store. But in my opinion, App Store is the one which is most secure. So in 2016 or 17, FBI requested Apple to unlock an iPhone which was found with a terrorist, and Apple refused to open it because it can threat the security of the person using it. So this level of security is maintained by Apple. And you might be thinking, I always talk about how to stay safe on internet and about privacy and security, because I've seen people using just GB Instagram and not concerned about their security. And I have taken this initiative to educate people about how to stay secure on internet, because nowadays the data is being leaked and we should take preventive measures to save ourselves. If you use an iPhone, it is a more secure version, and this is the reason why most of the influencers or actors use an iPhone, because it protects your privacy and also it is the most secure version in phones. So that was the video, guys. So definitely like and share this video with your friends and educate them about how to remain secure on internet. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon, and this is Jayan signing off. I will catch you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Peace.